I've got Lily here tonight and we're doing a quick chemistry lesson. And Lily's just finished grade 2, but for the purpose of this this investigation, it's based on the Year 4 curriculum, and we're looking at the chemical sciences content descriptor of the properties of natural and processed materials. Okay, so now first off, because we're looking at different materials, what does material mean to you, Lily?
My clothes.
Like the fabric of your clothes, hey, isn't it? So this is a cotton and fabric, so that's one type of material. And what about this table? What materials do you think this is made from?
Wood.
So yeah, so the material is what it's made of. Okay, and another quick thing is when we talk about property, what does the property mean of something? What's property?
Like if you own pencil.
Yeah, so it's yours, you own it, hey? So now property, it also means the characteristics of something. So the characteristics of this table, the properties of this table are that it's hard, and the property of your clothes is, what's this?
Soft.
Nice and soft, isn't it? Okay. We've got some other properties up here. We've got breakable, hard, heavy, waterproof, light, cold, flexible. Okay. Now, for the remainder of this unit, we're going to be designing a library bag. So, if we take the library bag out into the weather and it's raining, what do you think the most important property is that we need the library bag to be? What do we need it to be to protect your book? Looking at this.
Waterproof.
Definitely.
So your book, so if the cover of it doesn't go into paper and rips all the paper apart.
Yeah, so if the water gets in there, it doesn't get ruined. Okay, so I've got a few natural and processed things in front of us. So do you remember what natural materials are from our last lesson?
It's like something that grows in nature.
So yeah, something natural in the environment, isn't it? Definitely. And what about processed? What's a processed material? Do you remember?
No.
Natural's in the environment, and processed is something that is made. So we've made the glass, we've made the plastic. So now, we need to make a library bag that's waterproof, don't we? To protect the books. So we're going to quickly test these materials here. Okay, do you want to test them in the water over here for me?
Okay.
So we've got some foil. Do you think it's waterproof or not?
Yes.
Yeah, let me try it in there for me. So if we were to make a bag out of foil, what do you think would happen to the book? Looking at this.
It would stay.
It would stay, it wouldn't get wet, would it, if we covered it up properly, hey? So I'll put it over in the waterproof section. What about this cotton that grows on the tree? This is natural, isn't it? What do you think that is? Do you think it's waterproof? Oh, it's sinking right to the bottom, isn't it?
And it's going all soggy.
It is. So what happens if we made a bag out of that and it rained?
The book would get all ruined.
It would get ruined. So we'll put the cotton over in the non-waterproof section. Okay, what do you want to do next?
Palm leaves.
The palm leaves. Now if you weave them all together and made a bag out of it, what do you think? See how the water's gliding off it? It's nice and smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's waterproof.
It could be waterproof, couldn't it? So that's something that's naturally in the environment that the water runs off, isn't it? Okay, what about this paper, sorry. Let's rip a bit off. What happens if we made a bag out of that? What would happen to your library book? Oh, do you think that's waterproof? Definitely
It'll
not.
go straight through.
It does. I'll put it over here. The plastic?
If we filled it up.
If we fill it up. So it doesn't leak though, does it? Hey. So it's definitely
Waterproof.
waterproof. Okay, the glass. Is that waterproof or non-waterproof?
Yes, because it's not going in the glass.
It's not. It's not getting all the coffee. Hey. Definitely waterproof. Last one is the wood off the tree. If we made a bag out of wood, what do you think would happen?
It wouldn't stay dirty.
No, it would be waterproof, wouldn't it? So you see we've got a few natural things and a few processed things that are both waterproof, don't we? So we can look at that further when we do our library bag for next lesson. Okay, thank you, Lily.